Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to make a dairy-free and gluten-free baked feta pasta recipe. I wanted to post this recipe a couple years ago, back when this whole thing went viral, and I never got around to it. So you know what, better late than never, and this is pretty amazing, so I wanted to share it. So you're going to take 2 cups of cherry tomatoes, add them to a 9x13 pan, add some oil, smoked salt, black pepper. I put fresh thyme in mine, 2 cloves of pressed garlic, and stir it all together. Add your dairy-free feta cheese, which I prefer Daiya feta cheese for this. Bake it in the oven for 30 minutes. And then you're going to add your gluten-free pasta, which I use the Jovial gluten-free pasta for this. And you can stir in extra herbs. I added extra basil and oregano, and add some sausage if you want to. So I have made this recipe with 3 different kinds of dairy-free feta cheese. I have used Violife, which I love normally, but it does not work very well in this recipe because it melts too much and just gets really runny. Daiya works very well in this recipe and it tastes great. It's my favorite. And then I have also tried this with the Good Planet feta cheese. Not my favorite taste and texture, but it does work well for this recipe. And a lot of people, I think, like it because it doesn't have coconut in it. It's made with olive oil. So that is an option if you have coconut allergies. This recipe is perfect for weeknight dinners when you need something quick, and you can make it a complete meal by adding some protein like chicken sausage.